you mentioned that there have been some complaints aside from, other than the one of the former speaker about extortion attempts also.
Wala pa pong official na mga complaints, although there are some dealers that coming in that they are writing us an official letter to that effect. And yun na po yung sinasabi namin, kung may issue na po yung cyber warrant, then we will have access to the gadgets. We will know kung sino po yung mga nakausap, nakipag-usap, at kung ano po yung mga transactions at kung ano mga plano pa po na nangyari. Nalalabas po dun sa mga nakuha namin na mga gadgets ng aresto po.
So sir, wala pa pong official complaints pero marami na pong lumapit sa NBI.
There was already pillars po natin, mga text of tawag na. Titignan po natin yun. Actually, what I advised them to file an official complaint, sumulat po, so that the NBI can act on it po.
And what was the nature of their story, Director? Were they victims, meaning was Franco Mabanta able to successfully extort money from these individuals?
There's no details kasi nga po when they said pillars, ang sabi ko it's better that they at least write us a letter so that to make the complaint formal so that the NBI can act on it. Kasi hindi naman po kami pwedeng umakto base puro sa sabi lamang, text o tawag. We have to have an official record on that matter po.